Hi everyone, Winston here. I love being a full-time RV living dog. I get involved with all aspects of what goes on in the RV. I have learned that when you live full-time in an RV, it requires regular maintenance. Dad says it should not be called an RV, it should be called an RVR, which stands for Repair Vehicle Regularly. This week Dad decided that it was time to replace the RV's house batteries. According to what I heard him say, it was a pretty involved project because of their location and what it was going to take to get them out. Also, because most everything in the RV requires 12-volt power to work, or to assist the 120-volt appliances to operate, it required a day where air conditioning would not be needed. I asked Dad why, and he said that even though the RV AC unit works off the 120-volt power, it still needs 12-volt power to run the control board that signals the AC units to come on and off. Okay, not sure about that one, but I'll just take his word for it. So Dad decided to do the dirty deed this week as the temperatures cooled down enough that the AC units would not be needed. He had to arrange a day where he had enough time to pull the 4 6-volt batteries out, take them to the store, and trade them for new ones. Once back from the store with the new batteries, he put them back in. The whole time I was snoopervising the entire project. Since the batteries are located under the RV steps, entry steps, I was able to lay and watch everything Dad was doing to be sure he did it right. I know I did a good job snoopervising the work, because when Dad reactivated the house battery electrical system, nothing blew up. There were no sparks flying and everything worked. I'm a real good snoopervisor. Perhaps Dad will let me assist on the next project. Given we'll be on the move again next week, I'm sure he will need my snoopervisory skills again. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, if you haven't already, so you can keep up with the travels of Mom, Dad Lindsay, and this full-time RV living Pembroke Welsh Corgi with a tail. Also, feel free to ask me a question about being a full-time RV living dog in the comment area below. Thank you. This is Winston, signing off.